Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the top MNC company, that is Wipro work from home jobs, guys. So here the undergraduates as well as the graduates and freshers can also apply any degree. So it is very good news to the job seekers, guys. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so actually we got this one from the Naukri.com, guys. So there is urgent hiring in Wipro, Kolkata. So actually it is work from home, guys. Okay, so experience 0 to 1 year, that means freshers can also apply here. Okay, so here coming to the job descriptions, the roles and responsibilities. So handling inbound calls and resolving customer issues, solving customer queries on calls. And coming to the desired candidate profile, graduate or undergraduate, and shouldn't enrolled in any full-time study. That means you must be undergraduate or else a graduate, but you should not enrolled in any, if you are a graduate, okay, full-time postgraduate. Why? Because if you are enrolled for a full-time post-graduation or else full-time education, then you can't able to do this work, guys. Why? Because it is a full-time, okay, and 24/7 shift will be there. That means a day shift or else a night shift will be there, and flexible for both work from home as well as the work from office. So if you're interested to work from office, then you may go to the office, guys. The location is Kolkata as I represented. And if you're preferable to work from home, then you may choose the WFH, that is work from home. And the good communication skills must be there. And what are the benefits that you are going to get is that one-sided cab will be there. That means if you prefer the work from office, then one-sided cab will be there. And for both work from home and work from office, generally the salary will be provided, but how much amount of salary, that is not perfectly mentioned here. Anyhow, don't worry, I will show you the mail ID as well as the contact number also. So if you are having any queries, then you may ask them, guys, okay, regarding the salary and all these things. And the laptop they will give, okay, big campus, healthy environment, and you can learn the new things, fine. And interested candidates can reach out to HR Nazia Khan. Okay, so it is the name of the person, human resource, that is HR, and email ID, that is nazia.khan2@wipro.com, and the contact number is also provided here. Okay, so actually the Wipro is a MNC company, guys, very good one. So if you got, in the initial stages, if you got in this one, then it will be a wonderful opportunity to you, and there will be a scope also to grow. Coming to the role is associate or senior associate, non-technical, and the industry type is BPO or call center or ITES. Okay, and the functional area ITES, BPO, KPO, that means business processing outsourcing, like that, LPO or the customer service or the operations. And the employment type is you may take the full-time or temporary or contractual type, and the role category is voice. That means you have to frequently go through the telecalls and solving the customer issues through voice calls, right? So that's why they mentioned here the role category is a voice. And coming to the education, so undergraduation or the post graduation, so anything is fine, okay, or else the freshers also can apply here. The candidate profile is already given here, but you should not be full-time study. Okay, and the company is a Wipro Limited Kolkata, and it is the company website, and the address is given here, Wipro Limited Kolkata, Salt Lake Sector 5. Fine. So total these are the detailed thing, guys. And here I'm not going to provide this link in the description box of this video, guys, but because here the contact thing is there. So if you are interested, then you may contact to this person or else to this mail ID. Fine. So because due to some YouTube community guidelines, okay, so I'm not providing this link in the description box of this video, guys. So please excuse for that one. But if you want to search, then please search in the Google that urgent hiring in Wipro Kolkata Naukri. Okay, so if you type this one, then you will be directly directed to this website, guys. Okay, then go through this one. So if you want to apply through the Naukri.com, then you have to register here and then log in to apply. Or else if you don't want to log in and all these things, then here the mail ID as well as the contact number is given. So you may directly approach to this person, that is Nazia Khan. Okay guys. So these are the complete details regarding the work from home or else the work from office from the Wipro side guys. So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and then like the video. So if you're having any queries, then put your query in the comment section. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide